Guys, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi. In today's video, I'm going to be glamming this face up but not with makeup. Today I'm actually going to be doing facial at home. If you want that parlor wala glow at home, try this. So let's test it.
Let's see whether this can remove my stubborn tan from Rajasthan and give me that glow.
So if you're interested to see me getting facial at home in just ₹100, then please continue watching. Packaging of the box. It is a herbal facial kit which contains goodness of natural oils and natural herbal extracts. Now the thing what they claim are benefits: it helps to reduce skin pigmentation, rejuvenate skin to make it soft, smooth and healthy. That's exactly what I want. Provides clean, radiant and healthy looking skin, helps to reduce dark spots and wrinkles, helps to prevent premature skin aging and sun damage. And basically here they say there are 5 steps inside: cleansing milk, massage gel, nourishing cream, face scrub and face pack. Now each are 15 ml or 15 gram each. Inside, when you just open up this box, here you get the 5 steps, so it is really easy to identify which step is for what. The thing is, like in the old time facials, I've seen that there used to be sachets inside of 5 ml each. Now this is 15 ml, so this is gonna go for 3 facials, like 5 3s are 15. So you can do 3 facials with this 15 ml of quantity, so that's a good deal. And this retails for 300 bucks something, so that comes down to 100 rupees per facial. I mean, like, that's a steal if it does really work. Plus this also has really good herbal extracts into it, like aloe vera, papaya, orange. So let's see whether this works. I'll quickly take a snap of this face. The very first step they say is Roop Mantra cleansing milk. It does contain aloe vera as well as cucumber extracts into it and will give you clean, healthy, glowing skin to remove skin impurities. Now how to use it, they say apply it on face and neck, massage it for 2 to 3 minutes and wipe off to remove skin dirt and excess oil. Your skin is now ready for exfoliation. Okay, this is the first step tub. It is white colored cleansing milk. So let's apply. You get a lot of product. I think this would go even more than 3 facials. Let's start massaging it in circular motions. Okay, so 3 minutes are done now that I'm massaging it. It's almost like vanished and this does smell really good. So let me just quickly wash my face and be right back. Let's move to step number 2. It is Roop Mantra face scrub. It does contain aloe extract and grapeseed oil, olive oil, beige oil and micro granules to gently exfoliate skin. Apply sufficient quantity to face and neck. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and massage in upward direction and circular motions, and then just rinse off. Okay, so this is step number 2. They say apply sufficient quantity and leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes and later massage it. Okay, this does feel like those proper chemical facials which you get. Exactly like that. So yeah, I'm not a fan of this. The step 1 did smell really good though. So let's leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so now that this is on for 3 minutes straight, now I have to massage it for 5 more minutes. So let's begin. So 5 minutes are done. Now I have to just rinse this off, so I'll be right back. On to step 3. It is Roop Mantra massage gel. They say your skin should be dry. Okay, there's a gel which will lighten and brighten your complexion. It contains skin whitening extracts of orange and papaya. Okay, that's good, which would help with pigmentation and would help to even out your skin tone. It is suitable for all skin types. So the skin is dry, massage papaya massage gel on face and neck for 5 minutes and wipe away the gel with lukewarm water and then pat dry. Cool. Why do I feel I can notice some difference? Do you guys feel so? Anyways, this is step number 3. Whoa, it's orange in color. It did say it contains orange and papaya. It does smell like papaya. Okay, so I have to apply it. It does feel kind of jelly, sticky. Yeah. So I have to apply it on face and neck. And again massage.
Pigmentation go away, pigmentation go away.
So 5 minutes are finally done. Just forgot, what did they say? Am I supposed to wash this? Yes, wipe this off with lukewarm water and pat dry. So I'll be right back. My skin comparatively feels tight, like while this time I was just removing that gel off, it did feel tight. I just want my foundations to match me because this tan is going nowhere. So it was that stubborn, so I just want to remove that tan. Now let's move to step number 4. It is Roop Mantra face pack. It is enriched with aloe vera extract and firstly gulab. What's that? Firstly? I don't know. I'm sorry if I'm wrong. It's firstly gulab, which help to open up clogged pores, even out skin tone and complexion. It also helps to remove suntan. Wow, I want that. And prevents early signs of aging. Now, how to use it? Directions: apply a thick layer on cleansed face, avoid mouth and eye area. Okay, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with water or wipe off with damp cotton. Great, there is no massage in this step. My hands are like paining now. I'm lazy. Step 4, what color is it? It is like this creme color. Okay, so I have to apply a nice thick layer. Okay, this step is started tingling me. I don't know whether it is supposed to do that, but I'm feeling the tingling sensation as I've applied it. This smells like those rosy. Yes, this does smell rosy. And I'm really sorry, I don't use any kind of brushes to apply these face masks and all, because why to do so when you have these God-gifted hands? I just do everything like this. Everything on this channel is raw.
How am I looking whitewashed?
So I have to wait for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay. Okay, so 20 minutes are done and the pack does feel dry now, but still it does not feel tight, it does feel dry. And I'm smelling too many roses around me, and personally I don't like that smell. So yeah, I'll just remove this pack and I'll be right back. The time for step 5, which is the last finishing step. It is Roop Mantra Nourishing Cream. It is a nutritive care for dull, dry, lifeless skin, stimulates blood circulation, makes the skin surface soft, smooth and supple. Now directions, they say apply sufficient quantity on face and neck, massage in circular and upward motion, continue for 15 minutes as open pores get nourished and filled with nourishing oil. Okay, so I think I have to keep this on and not remove it, because nowhere they've mentioned to remove it after 15 to 20 minutes. So this is step 5. Wow, it does smell like really good, somewhat like your Nivea creams. This does smell really good. So this is white colored, so let's apply. And this feels nice and thick. Okay, so let's begin. So it's been like 15 minutes now that I've applied this, and I guess that's it. Those were the 5 steps. What do I feel actually about it? Now my skin does feel soft and smooth and really supple, really soft and smooth. I do feel that, and I feel fresh comparatively, like yes, I did click pictures to compare before and after, and my skin does look like it has got rid of that tan. Now definitely I'm not here for that lightening brightening stuff, but my skin does feel like good after this. I mean, for 100 rupees, dude, I am really shocked. like how this performs, because it was good for a herbal based product. I did like it. Like if I consider the price point of this, it is like 400 rupees per facial. This is a good product because it does make your skin feel nice and soft, rejuvenated kind of feeling, and does remove the tan. So yes, I think it's a good product. Even they say it for glowing, flawless and moisturized skin tone. So yes, that was my short review, I hope so, for this facial kit of just rupees 100 per facial. I hope you guys really liked some odd video like this. If you did, then hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free if you haven't subscribed yet. And we would meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care, namaste and keep trending.